Is it time to buy or sell SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF? SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, August 10, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since July 11, 2023, our system has ranked SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.39. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a gain of 1.56%. This translates to an average return of 0.07% per day since it was listed as buy candidate. The ETF lies in the middle of a narrow and weak rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 8.19% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 7.36% and 11.17%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a minus 1.19% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between minus 12.80% and 4.17%. This translates to a price range of $64.84 to $77.46 after a year. Our latest daily update for SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF includes the headline, Green Day on Thursday for SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity SCHWAB U.S. The SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity SCHWAB U.S. ETF price gained 0.0134% on the last trading day, Thursday, August 10, 2023, rising from $74.35 to $74.36. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.28% from a day low at $74.20 to a day high of $75.15. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by minus 1.06% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 344,000 more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 2 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $173.11 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of ETF was $79.49, and the lowest price was $65.96. Currently, the price is 6.45%, or $5.13, below the 52-week high, and 9.84%, or $8.12, below the all-time high on January 5, 2022, when the price reached $82.48. The following signals have been identified for SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. The SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity SCHWAB U.S. ETF holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the ETF giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the ETF will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $74.46. On a fall, the ETF will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $73.63. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, July 31, 2023, and so far it has fallen minus 1.72%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. The ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, July 10, 2023 in the long-term chart. Golden star signal is when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and price line meet in a special combination. This combination is very rare and often followed by long and strong gains for the ETF in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 44 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 25 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 23 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity. SCHWAB U.S. finds support from accumulated volume at $71.73, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. In general, the ETF tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the ETF moved 95 cents between high and low, or 1.28%. For the last week the ETF has had daily average volatility of 0.99%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF is at $74.54. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF encounters its first support level at $71.73. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $70.97, minus 4.55%. This ETF has low daily movements and this gives low risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 8 days ago. Is SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity SCHWAB U.S. ETF to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, August 11th, we expect SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF to open up $0.210 and start trading at $74.57. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.